How was trading for you in 2020? It's an interesting year, wasn't it? Let's talk about that and more right now. Hey traders, Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach for video and podcast number 394. And it's the last video and podcast for 2020. Well, what an interesting year. Who would have thought back in January we would be in the situation that we're in now? Who would have thought we've seen all the things that we've seen in 2020? Nobody could have predicted that. But for traders, it's actually been a pretty good year. You know, back in March and April, we had some unbelievably good trading conditions, made incredible returns because of the big movements in the market when the COVID really hit. And throughout the year, we've seen some interesting trading conditions. Sometimes it's been a bit quiet. We've had the US election and all the build up to that and still carrying on now. And so conditions are being a little bit quiet. Brexit still, is it happening? Is it not happening in the UK? But as traders, you've got to just basically go with what the market's giving you at the time. And as mentioned, we have had some very, very good trading conditions throughout the year. Sometimes a little bit quiet, other times exceptionally good. But what I want to ask you is this: how has your year been in 2020? Has it been a good year? Not such a good year. I suppose for a lot of people, being able to now work from home, and it's allowed people to adapt and accept working from home, working remotely. Things like trading, it's become, you know, there's easier to do, more opportunity to do it if you're not at work all day. So that's been a really good thing. But as a trader, what have your results been like? And what are you doing to analyze those results, to look at those results and to think, well, this is what I've done this year. Can't change it. It's happened. You know, whether it be good or bad. But what are you doing now onwards over the next few weeks as we lead up to Christmas and New Year to ensure that 2021 is an exceptional trading year for you? What are you actually doing about that? Are you reviewing the trades that you've taken this year? Are you looking at changing something? Are you looking at getting some education, some help, some support? Do a course, read an ebook, watch videos. What is it that you are going to be doing now for the next few weeks and take advantage of this quieter time? I'm stopping trading Friday the 18th and then starting of December and starting again on Monday the 11th of January. So I'm just taking a break from trading. The market conditions are going to do one of two things. Either it's going to be very thin trading volume and the market's going to be crazy, or it's just going to be flat and dead. And of course, you never know which. So for me, it's just easier not to be bothering. There's plenty of other weeks in the year to be trading and making money from the market. It's just nice at the end of the year, have a bit of a downtime, bit of a relax, and get ready for next year. And so really, that's what I encourage you to do. Yes, have some downtime for family time. That's what Christmas and New Year is all about, of course. But also, don't waste that time. Make sure that you seek help. If you want our help, we're still here. Even though I'm not trading, I'll still be on emails every day. If you want to ask questions about trading, just come through and we're here to help as always. But I really strongly encourage you to have a look at your own trading, have a look at what you've done, and take the good things that you've done and also learn from those poor things, those bad things that you've done. Because there's no better time than right now to analyze the whole year and almost like set yourself a New Year's resolution for next year but do it now. You know, actually figure out what works, what doesn't work for you, what you need help with, what you need to change, and make 2021 just a really good year. So on behalf of myself and my family and Paul Tillman over in America and Nikolai and Mel who work here at Forex Trading Coach, I'd just like to say thank you for watching my videos. Thanks for listening to my podcasts. Look, 2020's just been a crazy year, of course, but you know, there's been some good points about it as well. There's been some really good points. So thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for learning. Thanks for asking questions. Have an awesome Christmas. Just have a fantastic Christmas. Have a good one. Have a safe one. Have a wonderful new year. And I'll see you back here for some more great trading tips and information in 2021. Really looking forward to that. But also have a great Christmas and a great break as well. I'll see you next year. Bye for now.